In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use Claude Code with MCP rules and subagents for a full stack project. We'll start by installing Claude Code. On Linux or macOS, open your terminal and run curl fssl https://claude.coms install.sh bash. On Windows, open PowerShell and run IWR https claude.com aside install.ps1 useb.iex. When that finishes, confirm everything worked by typing Claude version. If you see a version number, you're good to go. Next, login and authenticate. Type Claude login. When prompted, enter your email address, then paste the verification code you receive via email or SMS. You'll know you're signed in when you see the message. Login successful. Now let's set up a clean workspace to keep multi-file memory organized. Create a project folder with mkdir Claude project/my project, then move into it using cd Claude project/my project. Keeping a dedicated folder helps Claude track and reference all your files consistently. Time to initialize the multi-context processor. Run Claude MCP init context 7, then load your current directory with Claude MCP load. Using context 7 tells Claude to remember all files in your project, which is ideal for full stack work and helps reduce errors and repetition as your codebase grows. To enforce standards automatically, add a few rules. Run Claude MCP rule add, name strict types. Prompt, always use TypeScript types, avoid any. Then, Claude MCP rule add, name no force unwrapping. Prompt, never use force unwrap in Swift. And Claude MCP rule add, name lint enforced. Prompt, follow ESLint SwiftLint rules strictly. These ensure consistent, safer code across languages and tools. Let's boost productivity with subagents. Create them with Claude MCP subagent create, name code reviewer, task, check all code for bugs, security, and best practices,